to Varvid.
Hi, this is Aaron Booker with Varvid.com. I'm here with Chris Bryant from the Office 2010 team. Chris, can you tell me your name and a little bit about yourself?
Absolutely. I'm Chris Bryant, Group Product Manager for Office. I've been at Microsoft for 14 years, started my career in development, and actually shipped every version of Access from Access 95 through Access 2007 before joining product management. Now I run the team of individual app owners in the marketing and business side.
So, Chris, partners are really excited about Office 2010. It's a big change, much as we're moving from Vista to Windows 7. A lot of enthusiasm about that.
Right.
It's fast, it's light, and I know that a lot of big changes are happening in Office as well. What are some of those changes that partners can look forward to?
That's right. Well, we have a bunch of great stuff that we showed off this morning. This whole release is really about bringing that best productivity experience across the PC, phone, and browser, something that customers are asking us for, certainly. And we think the release is really all about bringing ideas to life, and so what we showed this morning was things like video inside of PowerPoint, using really high-definition video, high-quality photos and image effects that you can do across the Office suite. Some of that stuff is super fantastic. We also talked about working together and using Outlook as a great platform for working together, but also a bunch of the other Office applications like Onenote is fantastic. We're seeing usage of Onenote increasing very, very significantly, both in terms of the number of customers using it and also in the amount of time that they're spending inside the application. And we're delighted to see that. It's kind of becoming an idea hub for people, the ability to throw a bunch of different content types into there on the surface and keep track of stuff, even send your email straight into OneNote as an archive, and then have extremely great searching capabilities inside of OneNote. We're really excited about it. A bunch of new features in Outlook, really giving people the ability to better process your email faster. So the cleanup thread, conversation view, really taking your email inbox and making it into a manageable set of conversations, and then removing all the redundant stuff as people reply back and forth to each other. The bulk of the body is copied in the message, right? And that's all taking up space in your inbox. So cleaning up, and then ignore thread is one of my personal favorites. Get on those mail threads, but you're just like, you just wish they would end. And so you click ignore, you'll never see the conversation again. It all goes into deleted items, and even the future responses straight into the bit bucket, as it were. And then the last thing is really about Office Anywhere across the PC, phone, and browser. So being able to have that same great Office experience, whether or not you're using your desktop PC or someone else's PC and Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Safari, or even we demonstrated this morning using a mobile phone like a Windows mobile phone or even some of the other platforms to access that same great content. We've always really been supportive of open standards and open platforms, and the thing that we're seeing today is just that increasing proliferation of devices, and so customers really demanding to have great content, high fidelity content, no sacrifices in what you produce, but that freedom and flexibility to move across devices.
Well, I just know that historically, to get some of the rich content, you really needed to use IE, and that sounds like we're really moving towards a little bit more browser independence because people run on different platforms, but they can still get a rich, outstanding, awesome Microsoft experience.
Yeah, we believe with the browsers that we've chosen to really target in this release, we'll cover more than 90% of the market in terms of getting people access to the content that they want on their choice of browser.
But you're not giving up on a rich, full-blown client experience either. It sounds like some great changes there coming as well.
Exactly. We've doubled down really on the investments in the client. 64-bit Office. All the applications are done natively in 64-bit, so really giving customers the ability to take advantage of the hardware advances, the OS advances on those great platforms. Graphics processors is the second thing. The ability to do video and image effects. Some of those transitions just always blow me away every time I see them, like the vortex, the spinning. That was just gets me excited every time. So yeah, I mean,
embrace that inner geek. Don't be afraid.
I know. And people, people say things about PowerPoint, but really, it's pretty impressive.